Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Beside me is a camera. I'm on Diani Beach and I'm taking a walk. So that's the activity for the day. I have my phone holder and yeah, these are very beautiful camels. Ooh, say hi. Ooh, I'm stupid. Sharon is carrying. Look at this, guys. It's so beautiful. It's so clean. Diani Beach, I'd recommend it any day. Look, there's close to zero beach boys, especially in the morning. So I prefer taking my walks in the morning, guys. Hi guys, so we are at my destination. I have my pack sack and a small maybe it should go down my camera. I have coffee. I'm not really a coffee person, but I love coffee. And a sunscreen because I'm coming just to chill at the beach. And a beer. I love coffee, but let's start with the beer. I want to open the beer so bad. Ooh. This is my breakfast at the beach. This is amazing. I don't know, I can put the coffee away for another time. I just do the beer. Cheers. Let me tell guys, I just needed to record something for you, but normally I just have my phone at home. I just come without anything, just my drinks. It's not beer every day, sometimes I have coffee really. Anyway, normally guys, I take wine, but how do I carry a whole bottle of wine at the beach? Doesn't make sense. Cheers. Oh, Diani Beach is amazing. Amazing. The beach is so clean, guys. Yeah, I feel like this is the best beach I've been on. I was here last year, but it's still the same, so I can say Diani Beach is the best. But maybe just subscribe to my channel and I'll show you guys Watamu Beach when I go there next month. I'll show you, then you can comment and we can compare between Diani and Watamu, which is better. So far Diani. Afu kama wewe unapenda kutafuta nyota, Diani. Bye guys. I need to take some time off the camera and just enjoy my beer and my walk. Alright. Poa. Bye. Sharing is caring. They have to. Hi. Guys, look at the monkeys. There's very many monkeys. Like we could just sit here and I'm now leaving the beach. It was an amazing morning. It's 9 a.m. No, it's 8:30 a.m. I was there by 7 a.m. Just 2 hours. Don't ask. Could have guys taken at that time. No, please don't. I'm on a vacation.